Dad is driving off in his ramp truck.
Yeah, ramp truck. It's a Dodge, can you believe that?
1989 D350.
D350 turbo diesel. Turbo diesel. Factory tag. Right. Don't think seems pretty strong. We drove it that day, so we got all tag and everything on it.
Got it from an old hot rodder. Drag race.
Used to race mopars all the time.
Name's Gene.
Need some tires on it and a little TLC. Thank you, Gene. Just left. I told him watch this on YouTube. It'll be on there, so. He hooked us up, did us right, and we're good to go. Local truck.
Yeah. This truck had there's no telling how long this guy's had it. At least 2 years, 2 or 3 years. But it was right here in Asheville. No one's ever seen it. No one ever knew nothing about it.
He was kind of head over here. Actually, right over here below Dax's house.
Yeah.
Good mojo. Old Dax watching over.
And we're heading to the alley.
Yep, she's heading hot rod out. So I just said, you nervous? I said, well, the moons ain't all wound up yet. If she's in the alley, then we're good.
That is cool. This is probably the first time Dad's bought anything in a long time.
I ain't never had shit. We gonna paint her up a picture up, y'all. Y'all like this. Now this, it'll look like a true 60s hauler.
Well, 80s or 90s hauler.
Well, 80s hauler. See, this has been hot shit in the 60s.
Yeah, it's been from the future.
Cream of the crop. Top notch. Well, motor feels good though.
Yeah, it does.
Bumper to go in the front end. I don't know if that's tires or just everything. We're gonna jack it up, clean everything, check everything out.
We bought it, and now we get to work on it.
The thrash is on. We got through. It's January. It's 19th, though, so we got through February and in March, so it'll be all right.
But Dad finally has something to put his car on and take to a track that is his.
Yeah, I don't have to borrow nobody's stuff.
This is monumental right here.
Yeah. I ain't never had nothing I can steer the car on the back. I always wanted me a ramp truck. Never. So I had another bucket list thing. And we couldn't find them that had no power, and this thing you're supposed to, according to the motor, this is a good motor. None ones to tow this, they don't tow anything.
Well, everybody out there knows about turbo diesel 12 valve Cummins. You know they're good motors. And this thing ain't got hardly many miles on it. The odometer reads 67,000, but we think that might be 167,000, or it may not be 167,000. But the inside don't look like it's got over 100,000 miles.
Pedals ain't wore.
Pedals ain't wore hardly. We'll see.
It's just got its normal shakes and rattles, what we got to get used to. You know, it's like driving a truck. You just get used to all this shit making a racket. We'll give her shit down. She's there now, the official. Let Colton have it turn it and see what he thinks. Colton ain't never drove a Cummins.
That's pretty low first gear.
D-Max.
Oh, I didn't know he was pulling out.
Oh, good for old Mickey.
Good. It just gets it going and
That's what I told Justin. I said, it's like it don't got no stop. It just, like the more you throttle it, it'll like,
gauge just goes.
yeah. This smash it going up the hill fifth. Like has no effort whatsoever.
Oh, I know.
Do what?
What's going on? It's the biggest submit we got.
This is for storage.
Never been on a ramp truck. Woo!
Pull the muffler off. Just go on. The muffler? Back up just a little bit. Stop. The truck looks small up there. Yeah. About 7 inches. Yeah, and the heaviest one you got.
White bed one, you can't get up, you don't fall.
Be careful.
Damn Bobby, dude.
Go slow, slow. Truck's rocking.
Hold on. Watch out for your car.
What is that noise? Is
That's
that
the exhaust.
rattling? Or?
Yeah.
Tailpipes.
Okay, now it's in the alley.
Man, got some shit on.
Hold on. When we first got the Dodge, it was the battery wouldn't take a charge, and whenever you cut it off, wouldn't start back up immediately. So it's got new battery stuff in it. Turns out on 12 valve Cummins, especially 89 12 valve Cummins, if the battery ever won't take a charge, it's the voltage regulator. Like 12 to 18 bucks. So replace that first. We'll see if it'll start up now. Fire right up, no problem. And check this out. Everything works. The heat works. Even the radio works. All the lights work. All the dash works. All the panels work. Even the windshield wiper motor. There's a little squirter thing. See, wipers work. And speed control works. Cruise control. All the speakers work. Too. For something else I was going to show them. All right, like I was saying, voltage regulator, that right yonder. Battery ever goes dead, won't take a charge. If you put a new battery in it, you shut it off, it still won't start. It's a voltage regulator. If it's not that, it's the alternator, but 9 times out of 10, it's a voltage regulator. And they're cheap, so replace that first. Thing is pretty, ain't it? You may not think it's pretty, but look at this. How many of you folks have ever seen diesel oil that's that clear? Very low mileage on this motor. If you start it, you can get no puff, no blow by, nothing. Pull the valve cover off, it is immaculate inside. I'd show you, but I don't want to do it right now. Awesome. Well, it's official. Work has begun on the Independence, aka the Blue Goose. The Independence.
The Independence.
AKA Blue Goose.
Yep. Blue Goose, aka Independence. But as we go, take a bumper off, take that shit looking wheel off front of it, we'll put it back on, put our bumper back on, and that's it. The hauler begins. Turning its skull now.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Hang all this up, paint it nice, put the bumper back on it. Took about 40 pounds off the front, that'd be about 2 tenths.
Okay, 100 pounds is a tenth, so.
Yeah, you gotta skull it out, so. Legit, you wait the first race, you come watch.
Not the first race we go to.
The second race, 29th, they going to one in Montgomery, Alabama. We can't make it. No Mondays. So anyway, we'll be at the 29th, so y'all come on down there because you're gonna see this rig, that trailer back there, coming in the 60 style.
60 style with an 80s truck.
The Blue Goose, Independence.
That's what it means.
SS.
Independent.
Yeah, SS. What should that be? SS Independence.
Yeah, SS
USS
Independence.
Independence.
Yeah.
Yeah, look like a big cargo.
And
carrier.
you got that captain's
Aircraft
hat.
carrier. Yeah, aircraft carrier. That's an aircraft carrier. I got my hat.
Yeah.
That's what we put on the side. USS Independence and my girl. That'd
be cool.
Good one.
That'd be cool.
Damn bomber girl on the
You're
side.
the one for Bad Penny, the same one.
Yeah, bomber girl for Bad Penny on her hauler. Yeah.
Well, get to work. You're wasting gas. All right, this is the first time this car's been started all winter. Hopefully that's tight enough to fire. I had to take my breather off and give it to Colton so he could drive his S10 around. Old 355. Springtime's coming. Not fast enough, but it's coming. What?
Hot Rod Alley's official running. We got the generator going down around grinding on the Independence. Got a scoop laying on the Nova, and the Calamity Jane is fired up. Hot Rod Alley is official open.
We gotta start 57 next.
Huh?
Gotta start 57X.
I guess we can start on BP.
Mm-hmm.
Get the sound right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I done started 74. I'm doing it in order.
Got it running. I'm up there thrashing on the front. He's back here in the back. Out right at the fish look.
Oh yeah.
Springtime. A little bit early. Springtime is February.
You hear that? That's that clutch. It's junk.
Sun going down, getting cold.
It is getting cold. We got about 45 minutes before it's dark.
Yep, 45 minutes.
Probably clean up now.
We're going to have to shut it down. Progress report, scoops on. Got my bumper back on. We're going to check it out.
Going back to what I started with in the beginning.
Yeah, back to the original. He's going to paint this bad boy and change the flag. And
Different.
different. Do something a little different now.
But I'm doing this a bolt on so I can still run my stacks if I want to.
Yeah. Reels again. Hot rod alley. Yeah, all back on. That looks a lot better without that big old tire on it, don't it? And that big brush guard. Took about 40, 50 pounds off of that thing. Big one. There you go. Got it all done. On the next thing, turn on the mirrors, then get all that rust stuff off there, going back quiet. Oh, there you go. The thrash. Springtime is coming. We're gonna be ready. April 29th, Southeast Jackson. Shayside Dragway. Maybe before that.
Yeah, we'll be there before that.
We'll probably do a little testing tune, maybe every Sunday. Then they're rocking and rolling, take his to Ogasha down on Sunday. Y'all wanna come hang out? Come on.
Yeah, please come.
Go down there and run all day, have a good time. It's 2 gashes. Pace 30 pace. Cutting wheel. Little generator doing work, man. Woo!
Check us out. We just discovered this.
Learn something every day.
We've owned the truck for about 2 weeks, I guess.
2 or 3 weeks.
We just figured that out.
Still every day.
I know, it's cool.
You know that bed painting shit? Yeah, that thing look good.
We're just let's just get Rust-Oleum and roll the bed like we did the
That's what
trailer.
I'm doing, just like I did the trailer.
We got the paint. We could just get a couple rolls and do it tomorrow.
I got to get on paint. We might have sun's out a little bit.
It's supposed to be 58.
It's 58 now. I might do that. One little bit at a time.
Get a few cans of gloss black and do the frame and stuff. While one of us rolls the top, one could be doing down yonder.
Yeah, it's got to take a lot of cleaning and painting, but that's about the same thing building a race car. You just get in there and clean. That's what we've done there. The rest of the cars, get in there and clean, get shit all over, clean that.
But what's cool about it is it has the hot rod feel. Like, usually working on stuff like this sucks.
No, this thing here's pretty neat.
Because
it's just an old truck.
Well, because it's going to get you from A to B.
It's going to hold my bitches. Just a bitch and my bitch. Makes us mobile. That's where we can get out and see you people.
Mobile.
Or
be
till
cool.
the money runs out, then we'll set our monkey ass right here. But such is life.
Hey, Dodge, sponsor us.
Yeah. You Dodge and Chevy boys want to get into it on sponsorship?
Yeah, we got you both covered. Chevy, Dodge, Chevy, Dodge.
Yeah, that's what we need.